let's talk about what is the pendulum.
The pendulum. The pendulum is one of those classic aqua moves where it's a movement pattern where we lift one leg and we switch legs and we swing the leg out to the side. I actually really like the pendulum because it's such an effective abdominal and adductor exercise, but it needs to be done well, and when it's not performed well, there's a lot of head rocking, there's very little effect with the exercise. So what I'm going to do is share with you the techniques that I use to help improve the way people perform the pendulum, and also some of the classic errors that you may also see.